We have a beautiful day for it. Little windy. Nothing to fear. Awesome. Look at that cross in the sky. Y'all check this out. Look, there's a cross in the sky. Look at that. Look at that. Check it out.
Where?
Right there. Y'all see the cross in the sky? Look at that cross in the sky. Wow. Bunches of crosses. The cross in the sky. You never know what you're going to see out here. Never. Look, bunches of crosses over there, Mike. Look, there's one there and one there. I'm being straight up. Ah, I got one. Ah ha ha! Wow! Whoa! Holy camoly! Wait, oh no! Hold on. Got to let go of one. Get the other one out. Holy boy! I cannot believe I'm hung up on 2 stuff at one time. God bless. I can't believe this. Now I got to work on this one. Lord, help me, Jesus. Oh, me. I hung up on 2 stumps at one time. I got out of that station. That must have been what the cross was warning me about. It was warning me I was fixing to get in the worst scrape there ever was.
It's called the Southern Cross.
Yeah. It's called, I got in a mess. That was so cool. They come out on that corner over there. Deer, 2 deer. Yeah. Come on, let's catch up with them. Where you at, Newton? Otter, where are you? Where'd he go? There he is. He's around my boat. Something's burnt down over there. I got a plane messing with us. He came down in the creek. Right on top of our heads. Good Lord. I've seen planes, fires, otters, and deer today. Not the first sign of a fish. Can't fish in this racket. Good Lord. There he is again. He's coming back. Here he comes. He's coming back. We are circled by planes. Mikey, here he comes. I ain't a joking. Look, what are they doing? What did we do to them, Mikey? You come up the creek for peace and get invaded by planes. Another one. place up the creek, not here. Yeah. What in the world is he messing with us for? Mikey? Look at him. Look. Wow. Corner on us. There he comes, there he comes. Go, baby, go. Fly, 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 birdie, fly. I'll tell you what's the truth. I don't know what to think. He's going to turn around and he's coming back. He's coming back. Mikey and I left the creek because it was blowing, and tell him, Mikey. Hi, Mikey.
It was rough.
How rough was it?
It was rough and you got hung on them stumps.
You liked that, didn't you, Mikey?